Everyone said it was impossible. A single storm destroyed everything. His home, his crops, his dreams. Instead of giving up, he made a choice that no one could understand. He wrote a letter to heaven. What happened next changed an entire village forever. The sun was shining brightly over a small village. The morning air was cool. Birds were singing in the trees. Everything looked peaceful. At the end of the village, there was a small wooden house. A poor farmer named Daniel lived there with his wife, Sarah, and their 8-year-old daughter, Emma. Their house was old. The roof had many small holes, but inside the house, there was love, hope, and many happy memories. Every morning, Daniel woke up before sunrise. He always smiled when he looked at his cornfield. It was not a big field, but it was everything his family had. Daniel gently touched the green corn leaves.
This year will be different. We will finally have enough food.
Sarah walked toward him with a basket. She smiled warmly.
Breakfast is ready.
I'll come in a minute.
Little Emma ran across the field. She held a small red flower in her hand.
Dad, look what I found.
It is beautiful, just like your smile. This rain is good. Our crops need this water.
This rain will help us, he thought. But suddenly, a loud clap of thunder shook the village. Emma became frightened. Sarah quickly called her inside. The rain grew stronger every minute. Then,
What is that sound? Hail! Please, stop.
hail crashed onto the cornfield. It broke the leaves. It destroyed the flowers. Beautiful green field slowly turned white. Daniel stood silently in the rain. He could only watch as everything he loved was destroyed. The storm finally stopped. Daniel slowly walked toward his cornfield. Then, Daniel stopped walking. His beautiful field was gone. He picked up a broken corn leaf.
I worked so hard. Why?
Tears rolled down Daniel's face. He could not believe what he was seeing. Sarah quietly walked toward him. Emma stayed close to her mother. Nobody spoke. Only the wind could be heard. Daniel looked up at the sky. His faith was still strong. Suddenly, Daniel had an idea. Daniel turned toward his house. He was ready to write a letter. A letter to God. Daniel entered his small wooden house. He walked quietly to the old wooden table. He found a clean sheet of paper. Then, he picked up a small pencil. Daniel began writing. The first words were,
Dear God, please help my family. I must stay strong. God will hear me. Dear God, you know what happened to my field. Please help my family. Thank you. Please.
He believed God could see everything. He finished the letter. He folded it carefully. On the envelope, he wrote only 2 words. Early the next morning, Daniel walked to the village post office. Daniel gave the letter to the postmaster. The address simply said,
Send this to God.
Daniel carefully handed the letter to the postmaster. The old man smiled politely and accepted it.
Who is this letter for?
Lee read the address. Then his eyes became wide.
To God?
Daniel stood quietly. He nodded with complete confidence. After Daniel left, the postmaster carefully opened the letter. He quietly began reading. Every word came from Daniel's heart.
What a kind and faithful man.
The postmaster finished reading the letter. He slowly placed it on the table.
No, I cannot disappoint him. Friends, I need your help.
He showed them Daniel's letter. Workers gathered around him. One by one, everyone decided to help. The postmaster counted the money carefully. Then he placed it inside an envelope. He smiled warmly. Tomorrow, Daniel would receive a wonderful surprise. The next morning, Daniel walked back to the village post office.
Good morning, Daniel. I have something for you.
Postmaster gently placed an envelope into his hands. Daniel slowly opened the envelope. Everyone watched quietly. Inside, there was money. Daniel's eyes filled with joy.
Thank you. God answered my letter. I knew you would help us.
Counted the money carefully. Then his smile faded. Daniel became quiet. Then he smiled gently. He had another idea. Daniel quietly sat down.
Dear God,
He took
thank you.
out another sheet of paper. He was ready to write
I will
again,
finish this letter by
gentle.
Thank you for sending the money. But
I trust you completely.
I did not receive all the money I asked for.
I must make
Next time, please do not send it through the post office.
Daniel smiled while writing. The postmaster opened the letter. He began to read. Everyone smiled. Nobody laughed at Daniel's faith. They respected it. Inspiring. True faith gives people hope. And one act of kindness can change someone's life forever. The end.